My dear students, good morning. Again, Chandra sir came back with another mind-blowing bit. That is, U92 235 plus neutron gives barium 56 144 plus X plus 2 neutron. You know very well, this reaction belongs to nuclear fission. FISSION, fission. Nuclear fission. A nucleus is being bombarded with slow movement of neutron. A nucleus, a radioactivity nucleus is bombarded with slow movement of neutron. We get to barium, we get to, I don't know, I don't want to explain what is that. Plus 2 neutrons. Another substance will be obtained. What is that they have asked? If you are well versed in nuclear chemistry, if you are well versed in atomic physics, you will be able to know, you will be able to find the correct answer. You see, U92. So, in this accept what you have to do. A, B, C, D. They have given 4 options to us. A very simple question. If you know the nuclear fission, if you know the nuclear fusion, you will be able to identify what is the correct answer. Here, what we want, nuclear fission, what we want. Uranium 92 235 plus neutron 235 plus 1 236. Okay, 236. Here 92 plus 0 92. So atomic number 92, mass number 236. This is the reactants, this is the products. 144 plus 1 145. Oh, here 2 neutrons are there. So 144 plus 2 146 products wise. 56 plus 0, no problem, 56. So what about this one? Then what you have to simply you subtract 236 minus 146. How much? 236. Difference in mass number. 236 minus 146. 0. 90. So 90 mass number where? Here. At the same time, 92 minus 56. Atomic number 92 minus 56, that is nothing but 36. So B is the right answer. When uranium nucleus is being bombarded with slow movement of neutron, we have a barium and krypton, that is 36 atomic number, mass number 90. You take this one, 235 plus 1 236. You simply add 1, 92 plus 0 92. Okay, 144 plus 2 neutron, you add 2, not 1, you add 2. 144 plus 2 146. 56 plus 0 56. This what you want, X we want. So 236 minus 146, that is nothing but 90. You see, among 4 options, B is the right answer, 90. At the same time, 92 minus 56, that is 36. So, krypton 90, 36 is the right answer. Okay. The other question is, which among the following has bond order equal to 1? Bond order is equal to 1. I get advanced question. 1. O2 minus 2. O2 2 minus 3. O2 D F2. Okay. You know very well. O2, oxygen atomic number 8. O2 means 8 plus 8, that is nothing but 16 electrons. Okay, okay. O2 minus, you have to add another electron. If it is a minus, negative charge is there, you must add electron. Positive charge is there, you must remove. If it is a cation, remove electron. If it is anion, gain electron. So O2 minus, that is nothing but 17 electrons. 17 electrons. 8 plus 9, you have to take 17 electrons. O2 minus, okay, O2 2 minus 16 plus 2, O2 16, 2 minus means 16 plus 2, that is nothing but 18 electrons. F2, 9, atomic number fluorine 9 plus 9, 18 electrons. I think you have clarity. Oxygen atomic number 8, 8 plus 8, 16. O2 16 electrons. O2 minus means 16 plus add 1 electron, 17 electron. O2 2 minus, O2 16. 2 minus means add 2 electrons, 18 electrons. F2, F atomic number 9, 9 plus 9, 18 electrons. Okay, you know very well. Bond order trick 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You know 14 nitrogen at bond order 3, 15 decreasing 2.5, 2.5 decreasing, I'm sorry, 0.5. So 2.5, this is 2.0, this is 1.5, this is 1.0, this is 0.5. Okay, so this is nitrogen, this is nitrogen, this is, okay, this is oxygen, this is nitrogen, this is oxygen. You see, O2 16 electrons, 16 electrons means bond order 2. 16 electrons means bond order 2. O2 minus 15 electron, bond order 2.5. O2 minus 17 electrons, bond order 1.5. Okay. 18 electrons, bond order 1. 19 electrons, point also. Here fluorine also 18 electrons. Let me repeat. If you know the trick from 10 to 20, or number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. Number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. But that is time consuming. So you take 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You see 2.5. You see 2.0. You see 1.5. 1.0. 1.5 from 1 to increasing up to nitrogen. Then afterwards decreasing. How much? 0.5 decreasing. Please note it. From 10 to 20 you can write. From 10 to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 bond order 1. 11 1.5. 12 2.0. 13 2.5. 14 3. Again after nitrogen decreasing by 0.5 unit. 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, 1.0, 0.5. You see oxygen 16 electrons, bond order 2. O2 minus 17 electrons, 1.5. O2 2 minus 18 electron. This is nothing but O2 minus, O2 2 minus, okay, okay. O2 2 minus 18 electron, bond order 1. You see, we want the 3. O2 16, O2 minus 1.5, O2 2 minus 18. Here O2 2 minus, at the same time F2 also same. What they have asked, which among the following bond order equal to 1? O2 2 minus and F2. Here O2 2 minus means B or 2 F2. So here 2 come. Again 4. Option number 2, bond order 1, O2 2 minus 18 electrons, bond order 1, bond order 1. At the same time, F2, bond order 1. So 2 and 4 is the right answer. Okay, thank you.